Hey guys, today's a quick tutorial on how to reset a customer password. So if our customers are accessing the inverted web interface of a Gen 24, also valid for our technicians, this is how you reset the Gen 24 password. So what you're going to have, guys, is the customer, you can now see the customers hit this section of the page. They're going to select forgotten password. Now that's going to generate a PIN. So what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to go across to Fronius SOS. Okay, so guys, Fronius SOS, solar-sos.fronius.com. Same login details as Solar Web. And the first thing we're going to do, guys, we're going to come down here to recovery key. I'm going to select recovery key. And in this section, we're going to select the device, which is a Gen 24, and we're going to enter the serial number of the solar inverter. Double 3294801. And we can either select technician or customer. In this case, we're going to select customer. Now the PIN is the PIN that has been generated by your customer. So we need to, when we're talking to our client, we need to get this recovery PIN off them. In this case, it is 566737. And that's going to generate a recovery key code. Okay. Now that's been generated, what we can do is we can copy the link and we can send that to our client via text message. Do bear in mind that our client, if they're on their mobile device, they don't have Wi-Fi as they're connected to the inverter hotspot. So text message would be the best way to send this recovery key. Okay, so Jacko has just texted me that recovery key. So what I do is I come in as the customer, I copy that recovery key, then I paste the recovery key in the section that says recovery key. Now the customer can generate their own password. Now, as you would have seen, there are some keys that we need to hit in terms of 8 characters, at least 1 numerical character and 1 upper and lower case. So there are certain fields that are required to generate a successful password. Now that that's been done, the customer selects save, and that customer's password has now successfully been reset. All right, guys, thanks for watching. More tech tips to come.